Hi loves, it's Sam. So today I thought it might be fun to share my favorite cleaning products, the things that really have like made a huge difference in my cleaning routine at home. I will link everything down below for you guys, of course. Okay, so the very first thing I'm going to talk about is this vacuum, you guys. So I actually worked with LG a while back and I was gifted this. Ooh, there's a hair. This is the most amazing vacuum. It's actually full right now, which is really disgusting. Sorry, I totally should have emptied that out, but hey, it shows that it's used. This is the, I don't even know what it's called. It's like kind of a long word. LG Cord Zero Smart Inverter Motor P9 140W. It's amazing because it has one for your hardwoods, then it has, do you mind? Then it has one attachment for your couch, like upholstery, and then it has another attachment for carpets. And then this is amazing because you can click it in like this, dink, and then this extends and makes it longer, or you can make it shorter. You can click this off super easily, and then you can just get into like little drawers, your car, whatever, you know, there's always mess when you have kids and pets. This one clicks off, and then you can like go up, you can get around the baseboards. It's just like honestly the most amazing, most convenient thing. It comes with 2 battery packs. They never run out, like, I mean they do, but I can do the entire house on usually 1 battery pack, unless for some reason I have a huge mess, which doesn't, I never have to do this, but then you have an extra battery pack, and you have just a stand that just plugs in to the wall. I just keep it in my laundry room, and then you go and snap this on, and it just sticks into your little base, and then it charges, and then that way you never have to worry about a cord. This is it. You just turn it on. It is the most amazing vacuum cleaner I've ever had. It is expensive. It's like $600 or something like that, but you guys, if you have never had a vacuum without a cord, it is so worth the money. I would absolutely, like, if that one breaks, I will buy another one. It is amazing. Best vacuum of my entire existence. It's so easy to clean. It's so easy to just quickly dump out in the trash can and then pop it back in, stick it back together. You can do everything so easily. You can do your stairs, you can do your car, you can do your couch, you can do your hardwoods, you can do like every single thing that you need to like keep clean. It does, and it's amazing, and I'm obsessed with it. And I think if anything, if you don't get anything from this video except for you consider that vacuum, it will be the best money you ever spend because it saves so much hassle, so much time. It's just incredible what it picks up. And I'm always like, we're like the dirtiest people of life. Like, you'll literally vacuum and then I'll go dump it out, and then I'll like re-vacuum over that area, and then I'm like, how is stuff still coming up? Vacuuming grosses me out. It's like, wow, what is all this stuff in my carpet? And like, we obviously have a cat, so he has cat hair. He sheds, not too bad actually. He doesn't shed that much for like such a fluffy cat. But his cat litter, he sprinkles all over the darn house. Fiona doesn't shed, luckily, but she's constantly bringing in like grass. The kids are constantly bringing in grass and sand. So it's just like so nice. I mean, we end up vacuuming usually about 3 times a day, but it's just so convenient that you can quickly just and then stick it on its charger, and then when you need to grab something real quick, there's no cord. It's just so nice. I just love it. So I absolutely love that. I'm gonna show you all the tools first. The next one is this, and this one was super affordable, and I actually keep this one for our bathrooms. So this actually my sister had, and I was like, oh, this is actually really a nice little mop. This is the Lipman, and it basically has this little squirter thing here. So you spray this, and then it squirts out your cleaning fluid that you can fill up, and then it just looks like this on the bottom. So it's like adjustable. Oops, I'm getting crumbs all over me, but it's really nice. And then you can just take these off, which I need to do right now, and then you can just throw them in the wash. They wash really easily. So I like to keep a separate one for the bathroom, and then a separate one for our hardwood floors. So we don't have hardwoods, we have laminate flooring. So when we bought this house, they recommended to use this one that I'm about to show you, and so that's what we've been using, and it's been working really well. So this one, I think we just got this one at Lowe's. or maybe Home Depot. I think it was Lowe's. This is the Bona Daily Clean Timeless Shine. What's it called? I don't know what it's called. Anyway, it's just the Bona one. Looks like this. You can get it at Lowe's. Again, you can take these off and you can just throw them in the wash. It's very adjustable. They move nicely. You have your little thing here that you can fill up. And then again, you have your little squirter thing that just squirts the cleaner, and then you can just do your hardwood floors. And this is nice because it doesn't leave any kind of streaking. It doesn't get like too shiny or too like, you know when it has that like weird film? That doesn't happen with this. And so I really love the way it cleans our floors. It does a really wonderful job. I literally have so much crumbs on me. And this is the solution that we get. So if you do get laminate flooring, we have Mohawk. Our flooring is Mohawk Sandcastle Oak, and they're amazing, and we are just obsessed with them. Best upgrade we ever paid for. So we only upgraded a few things in this house. We upgraded our countertops, which was a huge mistake. Wish we never did that, because we got a marble quartz mix and it's absolutely disastrous, and we have all of these etching marks from where we've spilled lemon or some kind of acidic juice has gotten on it. And so it's like etched out all of these like cup marks on our counter, and it's just a nightmare. So I wish we never would have upgraded that. I wish we just would have gone with a granite, but what? You win some, you lose some. And then we upgraded our paint, which I'm really happy we did, because it basically wasn't an upgrade. It was, well, I guess it was, because you had to pay $300 per room for the color that you wanted, because they only give you like literally 6 colors when you're building, and they were like all blues and grays, and I was like, okay, well, thanks for the choice. So we upgraded $300 per room to paint every single room the color we wanted. And then we also upgraded our floors, which was the best upgrade we ever did, because those floors are amazing. You spill, you drop things, your pets are on them, your kids are on them. They are amazing. They're so easy to keep clean. They hide the crumbs super well. If you spill something, nothing happens. Like, they're so amazing. So I'm really glad that we upgraded those. I think that was well worth it. I think if we could go back in time, I would still have paid for the house to get painted, and I think we definitely would have upgraded our floors in the ones that we currently have, but we would have chosen a different countertop. But it looks pretty, and like, unless you are us, you don't know that there's like etching everywhere, but it's really annoying. But anyway, they recommended at Mohawk to use this. So this is the Bona Hardwood Floor Cleaner, and it's just the original formula. So that's what we use on our floors, and it works really, really well. Now we're gonna go on to products. So this one is a lifesaver. If you have an electric stovetop, you know how it is. You're cooking, and then that night you can't clean it because it's still hot unless you wait like hours, which usually it's, you know, by then it's not gonna happen. So then you end up having to clean it the following day. And so things can kind of get stuck, and it's a pain. This stuff is incredible. So it's the Scotch-Brite Scratch-Free Rejuvenating Glass Cooktop Polish. I got it at Target, and it is so good. I just use it with like a little, just, you know, the green and the yellow sponges. I don't know what they're called. And it gets it so clean. It gets all of your marks up, all of the like dried on food or water or whatever it is. And it makes it so shiny. So I usually put this on with a wet sponge, scrub it with the green side first, and then wipe up all of the extra stuff with the yellow, and then I'll rinse it a few different times. I'll go back and forth to the sink. And then you dry it off with a kitchen towel, and it's literally perfect. Paper towel, whatever you want to call them. Not like an actual paper towel, not a kitchen towel, a paper towel. I was gonna say kitchen roll and paper towel mixed together. And then you just wipe them up, and it's like spotless. Like, that's all you have to do. So highly recommend that. So these are the Wyman stainless steel wipes. These are unbelievable, you guys. You wanna get up? They are so good at getting all of your stainless steel, your fridge, your dishwasher, your microwave, looking streak-free, perfect, clean. Stainless steel can be a real nightmare if you don't use the right products, and these are so, so good. They're just a wipe, so you just pull it out like this, wipe it down, and then when you've wiped everything, you just get a microfiber cloth and then you just use that to get, like, to buff it out and to make sure that you've gotten all the product off and there's no streaks. So it's really, really good. And I absolutely love the way that they clean our fridge, our dishwasher, our water dispenser is stainless steel and the kids are constantly spilling water down it, and it just removes any kind of streaking, fingerprints, grease, all of that stuff. It just looks so crisp and so clean and just so perfect. You can use that on the outside of your microwave, your dishwasher. They're really, really good. So I love those. And then this is really nice. This is the Method All-Purpose Naturally Derived Surface Cleaner, and this is pink grapefruit. So this is great for like just like surfaces where you don't necessarily need to disinfect, like your table. You know, if the kids, you know, they were doing their homework and there was like marker, it got it off really well. You know, like baseboards, that kind of stuff. I really do like this one. This is the Clorox Scentiva bathroom toilet cleaning gel. It's the Tuscan, Lavender, and Jasmine. There's also another one from Lysol, and it's the mango hibiscus. That one's really yummy as well. But these ones just smell really good. They keep the toilet bowl really clean. They kill the bacteria. Don't you come up here. This is not for you. And they're just like, you know, they make the toilet bowl clean and shiny. Or the dog is attacking the cat. The cat wants to jump here. He's gonna knock everything over. Next, if you are someone who has glass shower doors, and you know how when you shower, if you don't squeegee, which squeegees are the bomb, you should definitely get a squeegee, but if you don't squeegee, you get those little water stains all over your shower door, and eventually after you keep on doing that, it builds up, and then it's really, really hard to like wipe clean. So this is amazing. I actually learned about this from my nail lady when I lived in Tahoe. So then we had build up in our house that we were renting, and it was there like when we moved in, but like no one had ever gotten it off. So I was like, well, I'm gonna try this. So this is called the BioClean Hard Water Stain Remover. It says that it's non-toxic, eco-friendly, biodegradable, made in the USA. It's kind of like almost like a scrub, like it kind of has a grit to it, and it basically just like you use just a green, you know, the green rough sponge, and it just takes away all of that extra hard water, all of the water stains, and it just makes it like sparkling glass again. Sometimes you do have to do it a couple of times if you have a lot of buildup. That's amazing because it really gets rid of the hard water stains, and it does such a good job. That stuff is amazing, and I just order it on Amazon. And then you guys know I absolutely love the Downy April Fresh. This is amazing. It smells so good for laundry. It just like keeps everything so fresh and so yummy. And then I also love the Persil Pro Clean Intense Fresh. I think if anything, the vacuum is the winner. There you guys go. Thank you so much for watching. I'll link everything down below for you guys. I hope you guys all have a wonderful day, and I hope you are staying safe and well, and I'll see you guys in my next video.